Hey guys, welcome back. On this video I'm going to show you how to request reviews using this Google review setting right here. So it's pretty self-explanatory here. You put their name in and you can send the request via email or SMS or both, okay? And all you do is put their number in and their email if you're requesting both or just email, okay? Now before I show you that that funnel, I'm going to show you here in Edit Profile. We need to, on the landing page of this funnel, we just need to make a video on YouTube of ourselves, and it's just requesting the video. Just requesting the review on our Google business listing. So just record yourself on your phone or laptop or whatever's easy for you and upload it to your YouTube channel or just to YouTube. It's pretty simple, guys. Once you do that, and I'll give you a demo of one of mine, not in this video because this is a different video, but I'm just doing something different with that. But when you go into your YouTube and you've created your video, you've uploaded it, what you need to do is just click on this share button here, okay, and that will give you the code, the link to that YouTube. Alright, so you just copy that and you come back to your edit page here and you just paste it in here. Alright, as soon as that's done, it'll show that video here. And if you're going through this path of driving people to your Google business listing, just make sure you've got this clicked, okay? What that does, it adds that video to the funnel in that request flow, which I'm going to show you now, okay? I'll just go back up here, request testimonials. Alright, so and another thing too, guys, you need to before we send off a request, we need to if you haven't done so already, set up your templates for SMS. This is email, here's SMS here. Just click on this one, and we need to set up our 3 templates. This is our 3 SMS messages. Okay, this is the automated follow-up. There's a video on this in the tutorials library, guys, so just watch this video here and it'll show you how to do this. Okay, so we make sure our templates are set up, we make sure we've got our YouTube video uploaded to our account, and remember, every change you make to this system, you need to press the tab at the bottom to save it. Okay, now requesting people to leave you a review. Alright, so once you send a message off, this is what the customer's going to see on their phone, okay? They're going to get a number, and it's going to be a weird number like this. So what we need to do is make sure in our SMS templates, we need to make sure they know who it is by not even opening the message from what we say in these first 6 or 7 words here, okay? Because we need them to open the message. We need to get past this number here, which they don't know, which is suspicious to most people. So if they know who it is, and even better, if they're expecting it, a request from you, even better. Alright, so they open their message and they get this, okay? This is your first template here, your message that you've set up in your templates, and they click on the link. Alright, and they get this warning. Alright, they click on open. This is not a warning. They open link and they get this warning. Alright, this is important. This is why we need them to know that it's you. From what you say on your message, you need to be clear, and they need to know it's you, because people won't click on this if they don't know it's you. Okay, and we can't help this message, this warning. I'm using an Android phone, and this is the path that it takes, and this is the warning the phone gives, okay, when opening links. So if they know it's you, it's all good, and they'll follow that the path, and they'll click OK. And then this is the landing page, and this is where it shows your video, okay, and it's just you thanking them for their work and requesting a review. So, and it just asks them to click on this button here, okay, and this takes them through to your Google business listing, okay. So That's where it takes them through. There's a page before this page, and it gets them to sign in, and it shows their profile here. So when they leave a review, the review's legitimate, and it shows that person that's leaving the review in here. Okay, all right. This is your Google business listing. This is the home page. If you don't have a Google business listing, this is what it looks like. This is what people find on the first page of Google in the map pack. Okay, this is free advertising. You can't beat it. And when you dominate the map pack on the first page of Google, when people are looking for whatever your business is locally, and you come up and you've got 20, 30, 40, 50 reviews, 5-star reviews, they're going to definitely click on you and check you out, and hopefully request a quote from you. Alright, so that's it, guys. Basically, this makes this helps building your reviews on Google nice and simple. Alright, it's the exact same for Facebook. Alright, I don't think I need to make a video on Facebook. I think I might just, if I do, it's going to be short and tell people to watch this Google review, because everything's the same. The only thing you might consider doing is having a separate video for Facebook, but that's up to you guys to play around and test with and do whatever suits your business. And that's it, guys. Thanks for listening, and we'll chat on the next video.